Hey there, English learners. Welcome to Easy English with Bright. And today I have something special for you. And stay and turn on the notification bell. Please to stay with me. And sometimes you have ever been stuck on a conversation and just say, I don't know. Where to say that? We are upgrading your English. I will teach you powerful and natural English phrases that will make you sound and be more confident and fluent. Sometimes you may not know the answer, but just saying I don't know can make the conversation feel awkward and end too quickly. Instead, try the simple alternative. Instead of I don't know, try this one. I am not sure. I have no idea. I am not staying. For example, hey, do you know what time the meeting starts? I'm not sure. Let me check. Sound much more natural and powerful when you meet more times. Then you need the more time. Sometimes you just need a little more time to think before answering. Instead of I don't know, try to say there's plus. You can say that the first one is to give yourself time to think. Think about that. I have to get back to you. I need to check on that. Examples. Do you know who won the football match? Think about that. Oh, I think it was Manchester United. Oh, see, you are keeping the conversation going and sounding more natural and powerful. When you want to guess, sometimes you are not completely sure, but you have an idea. Instead of I don't know, try this phrase. I think it might be, it could be, I guess. Example, do you know why Lisa wasn't at school today? I think it might be because she was sick. Now you sound way more confident. When you want to ask for help, if you don't know something but you want to learn, ask for help instead of just saying I don't know. You can say, can you help me understand? Could you explain that to me? I would love to learn more about that. Example, do you understand these math questions? Not real. Could you explain it to me? Now, instead of shouting down the conversation, you are inviting someone to help. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Instead of just saying, I don't know, you can say, number one that you know, you can say, I think it might be, I could be, I guess. Think about that. I will have to get back to it. I need to check on that. And remember to use always that phrase that will help you to understand your English and to say more confidently and fluent. Okay, now it's your turn. Comment below with a sentence using one of these new phrases, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English lesson. See you next time.